morning, Pythons! Welcome back to Somerset Prep Homestead.
Today is Wednesday, August 21st, 2024.
I'm Rocco Castro.
I'm Lucas Saavedra.
And you're watching Python TV.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Welcome back, Pythons. It's time to get serious.
Yup, no more playing around. People have been telling us that Python TV is too crazy, so we decided to tone it down a little bit.
Yeah, we promise no more funny business, only serious news.
But first, a quick video.
Hi, good morning. Do you have your tag?
No, I don't.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a left right here, and we're gonna go to the main office. We're gonna register you one, because if you don't have the tag, we will not allow the parents to come in the building. Okay?
Oh, okay.
Okay,
Thank you
we'll
so
go
much.
ahead and get that done for you. Hi, good morning. Dropping off?
Yes.
I see you have two students in the car.
Yes, I have a high schooler and an elementary student.
Okay, perfect. Is he in before school care?
No, he's not.
Okay, we're gonna go ahead and you're gonna do the roundabout, and then if you could please get back in line again so that you can drop off the elementary, we'll appreciate that.
Perfect. Thank
All
you.
right, you're welcome. Hi, good morning.
Good morning. I have an elementary student. I would like to drop him off, but I want to walk them to the front door.
Of course, if you could please go around the roundabout, and we have additional parking in the back, okay?
Perfect. Thank
All
you
right,
so
you're
much.
welcome. Have a great day.
Welcome back, Pythons.
You thought I was gonna say I'm Batman? I'm not Batman.
No more funny business, seriously. Now, on with the announcements.
probably wondering why he's counting down right now.
2, 1. You just got Python punked!
We would never do that to you guys, Pythons. We're bringing you the energy, so you guys gotta show us it back.
Get ready for more good vibes. That's it for today, Pythons. Remember to stay positive, be kind, and make the most out of every day.
Let's make the school year one for the books. We'll be back tomorrow with more daily updates. Have a great day. Let's get